7bet lažybos. 7bet. 7bet lažybos. 7bet. 7bet lažybos. 7bet.
Dalyvavimas azartiniuose lošimuose gali sukelti priklausomybę.
Kaip manai, kad susijęs su tokiamis Partizano komandoje, kiek tai susijęs su jūsų žaidimu kažkaip?
I mean, there's definitely they're at a tough point of the season for them for sure. They're going through some things, but for us, the most important thing is to treat every single game the same way, like a championship game. So we came in here and we did what we needed to do, and we're definitely all proud of this performance, and we got to build off it.
Gali papasakoti, kaip atrodė pastarąsias 2 dienas Žalgirio komandai, kiek buvo pokalbių po pastarųjų rungtynių, apie ką tie pokalbiai buvo?
Yeah, we definitely had a long film session, just analyzing our mistakes, what we did wrong. But at the end of the day, we got to fight and be more physical than the other team, especially at home. That's the most important thing, is protecting home court and not making it easy for anybody. So we just emphasize playing together and playing for Žalgiris.
Ignai, ką Rūbinai išskirtum kaip vokaliausius komandos narius? Aišku, kapitonas Edgaras, bet kas dar tokie, kur daugiausiai šneka to sunkiu laikotarpiu?
Everybody steps up in bits and pieces. We have a great chemistry in the locker room where we all communicate when need be. Obviously, Nigel has a lot of experience, so he brings us together and gives us the words of advice that we need, as well as Adams, I would say he steps in as well. So we got a bunch of leaders on this team that are vocal and know what it takes to win.
Cool.
Po 100 taško Edgaro Ulanovo Francisco rodė tokią gestą, ką jam reikės.
I mean, it's the tradition here, is the person who scores the 100-point owes the team some food. So usually it's sushi, but I think I want Wagyu steak this time for me. So.
Mačo pabaigą papuošė Laurynas Birutis, nors apie 4 minutės 12 naudos ir blokas ir dėjimų, kaip tau tie visi Laurio epizodai pabaiga?
He's great. You can see his confidence level picking up the last few games. He's extremely ready. You can see the improvement, and he's doing great for us. He's very unselfish, plays physical. When he plays physical like that, he's one of the toughest bigs to guard in the league.
Kaip manai, kiek reikėjo mūzės su tokių rungtynių po trečiadienio mačo?
Yeah, no, it was big for him too. He was extremely physical and dominated the paint the way that he can, and we all know what he's capable of, and it's really only the beginning for him too.
Jūs padovanojot puikią gimtadienio dovaną Arvydui Saboniui, 60 metai, gal kokį palinkėjimą jam galėtų?
Yeah, biggest Lithuanian basketball legend of all time, so definitely grateful we were able to put a performance on his birthday, and just wishing him healthy and blessed years.
Ignai, čia buvo didžiausia visų laikų Žalgirio pergalė modernioje Eurolygoje. Ką tai pasako apie visą bendrai komandos charakterį, kad po turbūt tokio prasčiausio sezono mačo per 48 valandas iki tokio lygio pasiekėt?
It just shows the characters of the players on the team, as well as the coaches. Just to bounce back like that isn't easy to do, and we stay together. Like I said, the main thing is to always play for the team and to compete harder than the other team as well.
Čia daugiausiai psichologinis faktorius pasikeitęs, tai lėmė, ar buvo ir taktinių pokyčių?
I think psychologically, one, just competing as hard as we possibly can every possession, and then obviously tactically we were well prepared and we executed tonight as well.
Pagerintas buvo taškų rekordas, bet galima sakyti, kad pamatas pergalį padėjo gerą gynybą.
Yeah, I think everything starts on defense for us. So when we're locked in defensively and making it hard for the other team, then we get open looks on the other end.
Tai buvo ryškiausias ir tavo mačas, rezultatyviausias mačas, daugiausiai minučių, kiek smagu būti tokios pergalės didžiulė dalimi.
Yeah, it felt good, felt in rhythm. My teammates and coaching staff trusted in me, and I was able to make plays, so it definitely feels good to impact the game and winning.